You have made it to your teacher's homepage. Now, as a language arts team, whether you're in 6th, 7th, or 8th grade, there are going to be some similar navigation pieces. First, you will see these buttons at the bottom, including this giant Enter Here button. Starting on day 3, you can always click Enter Here. When you click Enter Here, you will see 4 modules listed. We are on Module 1, so you will click Module 1. We are in Unit 1, so you will click Unit 1. And then when you're ready to go to Lesson 1, you can read a little bit about the lesson, and then you will click the link to go to your Canvas course. Okay? Module 1 will pop up automatically when you click that link. Now, let's talk about your first day of school. If it is your first or second day of school, you will click directly on the link provided to you by your teacher. When you click on that link, you will be brought to a page that has your Lesson 0, first day of school or second day of school listed. You will click where it says Asynchronous Assignment, and you will follow the directions for that assignment and be ready to learn with your teacher at the synchronous learning time. Let's talk more about navigation. You can always click the Home button to go back to your home page. When you're on your home page, you will see things listed on the side. You will not have as many things listed as I do, but you will have a home button. You'll have a place where you'll see your grades. And this button for modules is going to be another way that you can see everything that you are supposed to work on. Remember, we just saw this asynchronous assignment for day 1 that lives in your modules. If you want to be able to see your grades, you'll click on the Grades button. In Student View, you'll be able to see the assignments that you have completed and what your teacher's feedback looks like. Again, if we go home, let's review. You made it to your homepage of your language arts class. If it's day 1 or 2, you have clicked the link that your teacher has left for you for days 1 and 2. And then you have buttons to go to various places in your teacher's page. Starting on the day that your teacher tells you, you will see text that says go to the Enter Here button, and you will be able to click Enter Here to go to your various modules so that you can then return to any lesson. That's going to be helpful for when you maybe missed a lesson one day and you need to go back and complete the assignments. You can click the button, which will bring you directly to that particular lesson number. Again, when you're done, you'll go back home. Any other questions that you have for your teacher, you can always send them a message through your inbox. You can send your teacher a message directly there, or you can always email them directly with your personal email address to their CMS one. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful first day, second day, or 10th day of school. We are looking forward to meeting you and working with you.